COVID-19 vaccinations are safe and effective and our best defense against the virus. But there are plenty of myths about the vaccine. Here are a few along with the facts. Myth: you may have heard that it's more dangerous to get the vaccine than not vaccinating. Fact: we have surpassed 1 million deaths in the United States from COVID. The vaccine is safe with little to no fatalities. Nearly all COVID hospitalizations and deaths are unvaccinated patients. Myth: you may have heard that the trials were rushed and that there is not enough safety data. Fact: all 4 clinical trial phases were completed before emergency use authorization. No steps were skipped. COVID vaccines are undergoing the most intensive safety monitoring for any vaccine in history. Millions of people have been vaccinated against COVID safely and are now protected from a severe disease. Myth: you may have heard the vaccine is not safe for children. Fact: COVID vaccination is now approved and recommended for everyone 5 years and older. COVID vaccination can safely help protect your child from getting COVID. Children can become very sick with COVID, and some children even experience a multi-system inflammatory syndrome from COVID disease, which can be deadly. Myth: you may have heard the vaccine is not safe to take during pregnancy. Fact: COVID vaccines have been deemed safe for pregnant and lactating women by the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists. In fact, COVID vaccines are strongly encouraged. There have been some tragic cases of COVID disease in pregnant women. COVID vaccines do not harm the fetus and, in fact, may protect babies from COVID disease after they are born. Myth: you may have heard that the vaccine contains a microchip that tracks movement. Fact: there is no microchip in the vaccine. Vaccines come in multi-dose vials, so inserting a microchip in every syringe would be impossible. You may hear a click when you are vaccinated. This has nothing to do with microchips. That is a feature of modern syringes that protects healthcare providers from needle sticks. The sound you hear is the needle snapping back into the syringe where it can't poke anyone by accident. Myth: you may have heard that vaccines can cause you to become magnetic. Fact: COVID vaccines do not contain any metal ingredients that would produce an electromagnetic field, such as iron, cobalt, nickel, mercury, lithium. To learn more, visit moimmunize.org.